Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best security cameras in 2026 to protect your home, pets, or loved ones, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be counting down the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon, covering key features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and finally helping you decide which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Anona 4K UHD Indoor Security Camera 4-pack. This is a powerful indoor security solution designed for homes with pets, babies, or elderly family members. 4K UHD ultra-clear video, 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 2.4G and 5G, smart detection, person, pet, and baby crying, auto tracking plus privacy mode, 2-way audio, 4-camera pack. The video quality is extremely sharp, even when zoomed in. Auto tracking works smoothly, following movement around the room. The phone app is user-friendly and ideal for remote monitoring. Pros: stunning 4K clarity, excellent for pets and babies, fast and stable Wi-Fi 6 support, privacy mode for peace of mind. Cons: indoor use only, needs constant power. Perfect for indoor home monitoring, especially for parents and pet owners who want top-tier video quality. Number 2. Soli OM 5MP Solar Wireless Outdoor Camera 4-pack. This is a great pick if you want outdoor security with 0 monthly fees. 5MP 3K resolution, 360-degree auto human motion tracking, solar-powered, color night vision, works with 2.4G and 5G, no subscription required. The solar panel keeps the camera running without manual charging. Motion detection is accurate, and color night vision adds extra security after dark. Pros: no subscription fees, solar-powered convenience, strong outdoor performance, easy installation. Cons: cloud storage limited without manual backup. Performance depends on sunlight. Ideal for outdoor users who want wireless, solar-powered security without ongoing costs. Number 3. AOSU Outdoor Wireless Security Kit 4-pack. A clean, modern security system built for simplicity and reliability. 2K color night vision, 360-degree pan and tilt, solar-powered, auto tracking, dual-band Wi-Fi support, no subscription. Setup is quick and the app is beginner-friendly. Auto tracking works well for monitoring yards and driveways. Pros: subscription-free, solar charging, smooth pan and tilt, simple setup. Cons: 2K, not 4K. Best performance needs good Wi-Fi signal. A solid all-around outdoor camera system with great value for money. Number 4. Eufy Security 4G LTE Cam S330. This one is a game changer for areas without Wi-Fi. 4K resolution, 4G LTE plus Wi-Fi dual WOD, solar-powered, pan and tilt with AI tracking, includes SIM card and 32GB SD card. Even in remote locations, this camera delivers reliable footage using cellular data. AI tracking is smart and accurate, making it great for farms, construction sites, or vacation homes. Pros: works without Wi-Fi, crystal clear 4K video, built-in storage, extremely reliable. Cons: higher upfront cost, SIM data charges may apply. Best choice for remote locations or places with poor internet access. Number 5. Hiseeu Wireless Security System 1TB HDD. This system is a full home security system with built-in storage. Dual lens cameras, 360-degree pan and tilt, color night vision, auto tracking, 1TB HDD included, no subscription, plug-in power required. This system is great for users who prefer local recording and long-term video storage. Pros: massive 1 terabyte storage, no subscription, reliable continuous recording, great for full home coverage. Cons: needs power outlet, not fully wireless. Best for users who prefer local recording and long-term video storage. Thanks for watching. All the product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next video.